Today we're taking a look at the Thule 422XT Xsporter, which is an aluminum truck bed rack. The Xsporter clamps right into the bed rail of most pickup trucks, and adapters are sold to fit alternate bed rail designs. 2 clamps hold each upright to the rail and tighten in place. The rack can be installed in your bed in 3 different configurations, which allows a different distance between the crossbars. Installation is simple. Just attach the 4 uprights to the bar and then install the crossbars. The crossbars mount securely to the uprights, and the Xsporter includes rubber strips for the top and bottom of the bars to keep them as quiet as possible. To adjust the bars up and down, just unlock and release the clamps on each upright. Once released, the rack can be readjusted to whatever height is necessary. When your clamps are refastened and locked, your Xsporter is road ready. You know you want to, you have to bend your sound and make